In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the price filter in WP Travel Engine for 2025 step by step. Whether you're customizing your travel site to streamline the user experience or simply wish to declutter the interface, removing the price filter can be a beneficial change. Let's dive into the process to achieve this with ease and efficiency. First, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for website management. So once you're in, you'll find yourself at the starting point where all your site's functionalities are accessible. Next, navigate to Appearance and then select Theme File Editor. Here, you have two options. You can work within the WordPress dashboard itself, or if you prefer, especially for larger edits, open your child theme using a code editor on your computer. This flexibility ensures you're comfortable as you make these changes. Once inside the theme file editor or your code editor, locate either the archivetrip.php or contentarchivetrip.php file. These specific files govern the layout and functional aspects of your trip listings, including the filters associated with them. To locate the precise code related to the price filter, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to invoke the search bar, a handy tool that saves time by finding specific text strings in a document. In the search field, type price to pull up every instance where this term appears. This is crucial as you'll be focusing on the section labeled WTE filter by price. Now that you've found the relevant code, the next step is to either delete or comment out the portion related to the price filter. Commenting out involves placing around the code, effectively deactivating it without permanently erasing it. This is a useful practice for beginners or when you want the option to easily restore the code at a later date. Look for the specific code line and either remove it entirely or comment it out. Remember, making these kinds of background changes is akin to spring cleaning for your site, removing elements that aren't crucial to your current goals. After you've deleted the code, make sure to click on Update File to save your changes. This is a vital step because any changes you make won't take effect without it. With the changes saved, head back to your trips page and refresh the browser. You should see that the price filter is now gone, leaving your site cleaner and more focused on the elements you want to highlight. If you're hesitant to edit code, there's another option using CSS to hide the price filter display. In your theme customizer, click on the .wte filter by price selector and add display none. Once done, hit publish. This CSS trick hides the filter without permanently altering the underlying code, offering a reversible and no-risk approach to interface adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully removed or hidden the price filter from your WP Travel Engine, giving your site a refined, tailored look that better serves your specific audience's needs.